The Family Name Assist tool is another tool that leaders can use to help new members take a name to the temple. The bishop, for example, could open the Leader and Clerk Resources tool, and then under the temple menu he would see the option to help member print a family name. A button labeled Find and Print a Family Name is then selected to start the process. He would then ascertain whether the new member had a family search account already, and if they don't, he could sign them up and proceed with the Family Name Assist tool. If ward consultants had already helped the new member sign in, the bishop could help the new member learn how to use ordinances ready to find their own names to take to the temple. If the Family Name Assist tool is being used, the new member is asked if they have any close relatives that have died that they would like to take to the temple. They fill in the details for this relative and must include at least one date and place for either birth or death. The system then searches for any duplicates and gets the name ready for the temple. These names can be then printed and a date can be scheduled in the temple for the baptisms to take place.